Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to catch the Kraken in Fisch Roblox. First, ensure you have the right equipment. You'll need a very strong fishing rod, capable of handling large catches, and specialized bait designed for legendary creatures. Also, make sure your boat is fully upgraded for deep-sea travel, allowing you to reach the Kraken's habitat. Don't forget to bring plenty of health potions and energy drinks for the long battle ahead. Once prepared, your next step is to locate the Kraken. Sail your upgraded boat to the deepest areas of the ocean, far from the starting zones. Keep an eye out for specific environmental cues, such as unusually dark water or large, swirling whirlpools, which often indicate its presence. Using a high-quality sonar device will significantly help you pinpoint the Kraken's exact underwater location, making your hunt more efficient. With the Kraken located, it's time for the battle. Cast your specialized fishing line directly into the area where your sonar indicates the Kraken is. Be ready for an intense fight. The Kraken is a formidable opponent. You'll need quick reflexes to counter its powerful pulls and sudden movements. Continuously apply your strongest fishing abilities to maintain line tension and slowly wear down the creature. After a challenging fight, successfully reeling in the Kraken requires persistence and skill. Once caught, you will be rewarded with a significant amount of in-game currency and several rare, valuable items that can greatly enhance your gameplay. This legendary catch is a testament to your fishing prowess. Make sure to proudly display your Kraken in your personal trophy collection for all to see.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.